So now that you have passed 12 and you wanted to start with DSA, and you have started doing some coding in some specific coding languages. So what would be the path if I start in the same way? So being an experience of like around 5 years of experience, I would love to say the path which you should follow and like get the best out of it. So first of all, you need to master in one coding. So if I had to prefer two languages which I can tell you, you can pick either Java or Python. So that is the first pick, and you need to master that. So to master that, you need to practice at least 100 questions. So, and that you can do together with building logic part. So once you are up with building logic, so building and the practicing of your particular coding languages can be done together. So that would help you a lot. So be it for loop, be it if conditions, be it say hash map. So anything you can practice it in that 100 questions. And then second thing, like you can go for array questions. So you have already mastered 100 questions and you know about the coding language. So go ahead with patterns. And before patterns, you can start with array and then go with string manipulation. So for array, you need to practice 25 questions. For string manipulation, you need to practice 25 questions. And then the main part is now you should start with pattern, and that is sliding window approach. So there also you need to go for 10 questions each and 2 pointers approach. And then you need to practice hash map. For hash map, generally in interviews we get hash map questions, and then we get some sets questions. Generally we get around single questions that we may get somewhere around like TCS or UI can ask, so that you can prefer. And then you can have stack and queues questions. So 5 questions for stack, 5 questions for queues, and then the major part comes in dynamic programming. So, and do not confuse, like you have to give time. So it won't be in a way that you'll just see the questions and you'll be able to do it. Practice it. So on the first part of the questions you'll not be able to, you need to understand and go through, play with some print statements to know how and where you are kind of breaking, like where the code is breaking. So these are the things that you need to practice, and these are the steps that you need to follow. Okay, do follow for more such content, and thank you.